Hey everybody, it's your girl Court. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be coming and talking about the 7 side hustles of 2023 that are going to skyrocket your income or take it to the next level. Okay. Now, without before we get started, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe for your girl. You know I've been putting in a lot of hard work on my content and keeping content rolling out for you guys. All right, so let's get to it. Side hustle number one is going to be rent and rank for me. Okay. So this basically involves setting up a one-page website and running Google ads to it to produce leads that you are going to sell to your local businesses or companies. Now, some examples of niches that you can go into with this model is going to be like plumbing, concrete, yoga studios, barbershops, you name it, because these people don't really have time to run ads or don't know how to run ads, and that's where you come in and you're basically starting an agency for them. Okay, pretty simple. Now, before you usually had to rank the website on Google first and then sell the website, which was taking like a really, really long time. Like nobody wants to wait 6 to 8 months to learn how to do SEO and get the businesses to the top of page one on Google, right? Now, you can just give them a little bit of tea, a little bit of fish before you give them the whole chunk of everything and still be able to make your coins at the same time. Now, coming in at number two is going to be remote closing for me. Now, I love this, you guys. So, this is basically selling high ticket courses and programs for coaches and online gurus that you see. So, the easiest way that you're going to be able to get into this model is actually you're going into Facebook groups, going into your Instagram, and looking at the coaches and courses and people who are selling courses right now. Excuse me, I'm all tongue tied with the courses and coaches, and basically reaching out to them to see if they have any positions available for remote closers or appointment setters. And basically, with this model, you can set appointments all week, and let's say if you book three and the program is 10,000 and you make 1,000, that's 3,000 a week. It sounds like good numbers adding up to me. All right. Now, coming in at number three is going to be freight dispatching. Now, I absolutely love this because I'm a freight dispatcher myself, so I'm always an advocate for this. And all you have to do for this model is basically build relationships with brokers, build relationships with truck drivers, go ahead, book loads, and set your fee, and voila, you have been paid. All right. Now, coming in at number four is going to be UGC content creation. Now, I absolutely love this as well and I know that it works because I paid for a UGC content creator. I paid about $200 for them to make a video for my drop shipping store. And there are different models that you can do. You can do content creation without your face, with your face. You can also charge for the length of the video. So, yes, go ahead and start pitching to those brands and you know, let the brands also pitch to you if you're producing content as well. Okay. Now, coming in at number five is going to be drop shipping. It's an oldie, but it's a goodie. I always say that drop shipping it's low overhead. You just really need to focus on testing. Some of my favorite ways to do this now is through UGC content creators because they produce a lot of content that people are watching, and also just by going in the hashtag of Amazon made me buy it or TikTok made me buy it. Finding a product that you think is valuable or marketable, and then setting up a website, running ads, and testing that product. Okay. Number six is going to be digital drop shipping. Now, I have done a video and I will link it here so that you can go see it about how you can start digital drop shipping. And basically, it's the process of just buying PLR, which is private label rights, and selling those. You can resell those to your audience for different things like lead magnets. And digital products, like oh my gosh, it's out of this world. There are different digital products, is from invitations to door hangers to wall art to ebooks, audios, just anything that you can think of that's digital. It literally probably can be sold. Even baby shower invitations. So, you name it, you can if you can produce it that's digital, there's something for it. I've also linked 25 PLR quality websites that you can go to in my product description below. And you can basically, I said my product description. In the description box below, you can find 25 my link to 25 quality PLR websites that you can go to today to start your digital dropshipping journey. And like I said, you can also watch the video. Now, lastly, coming in at number 7 is going to be affiliate marketing. Now, I absolutely love affiliate marketing. It's how I make most of my income. Basically, you are just the middleman between the buyer and the product, or the buyer and the business and the product, and the seller or the consumer. So basically, there you are going to be promoting people's different businesses, products, information, whatever have you. And so they will give you a commission on that. Now, some of the most common places to become an affiliate for is going to be like Amazon. You can also do electronics, gaming, you name it. All right. So now I have a bonus side hustle income for you all, and that's going to be faceless YouTube channels. Now, we're so used to watching like the meditation and the rain and all that kind of stuff, but y'all, this goes really, really deep. There are niches like for like you can start a gaming channel, you can start a love story channel, you can start a cooking channel, and all of this can be faceless. So I can also do a video on the different YouTube niches that you can do for that as well. So I think that about sums it up. I hope I put out everything that you all wanted to hear today. If there is a side hustle that I haven't mentioned that you've tried, that you want me to talk about, and then you want more information, you let me know, because you know that my goal is to help you get to the bag, and that's my favorite thing to do, is help you get to it. Okay? Now, with if there's nothing else, yeah, I'm just gonna peace out.